Welcome. I'm making this video so that you can see how to navigate through YouTube as a new beginner if you want to start creating YouTube videos. So I'll be showing you how you're going to go about it. You have nothing to worry about because you will learn step by step on how to go about uploading your video. First, let's go over to YouTube. So I advise you start with YouTube Shorts so you can gain popularity. So from there you start creating longer videos. So the button that has plus below, you can see the button. When you look at the lower parts of the phone, you see a plus sign. You click on the plus sign, you see create shorts, upload video. For the purpose of this video, we'll be doing shorts. As a new beginner, I advise you to go with shorts. Create videos that are 30 seconds, 15 seconds long, 12 seconds, 10 seconds, that will under 1 minute. Don't create more than 1 minute. If you have those that are more than 1 minute, you could edit them into shorts. So let's see how to create shorts on YouTube. So you click on the plus sign, you come to create shorts. It says upload a video, go live. So we are not uploading a full long video, we want to create a short. You can also upload a short too, but let's use the button of create a short. So I click on create a short. It brings you to the video you've created. So let's pick a video we want to use for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm uploading a 2 minute 40 seconds video, so I'm clicking on it. I'm going to be reducing the volume of the video so that the noise does not interfere with the video, because the last video I made there was a lot of noise and I didn't edit it. I uploaded it that way so you could see how it's done. So I'm going to be editing this video into shorts. It says trim your videos to 60 seconds, sorry, or less. So we'll be trimming this video. So you turn on edit into a short if the video is longer, so you could cut that part you want to post. It's that easy. Edit into short. You see what it looks like. This is the long, all the parts of the video, so you want to cut out 60 seconds that you want to post. So this is how you trim. You click on the end bar here and you drag. I didn't turn on, so this is what we have. I'm going to be playing it. There will be a little noise, so bear with me. I've gotten it. Okay, I'm trimming it. You trim and watch so that you can see. Since I've gotten the parts I want to trim out, I'll be trimming now. So I'm gonna cut it up from here and get it down here. So let's play it again and see what the video looks like. Like you see, this is still 16 seconds long. I still want to take some things out, so I'll be trimming off some other things out. I'll come from the beginning because I don't like how it started. Okay, it's 15 seconds now, so let's play again and see what it looks like. Pardon the noise, please. I still want to trim out some other things, so let me trim a bit. It's showing me 15.5.4. okay, let's see how that looks. Pardon the noise, please. So I'm using my phone. Shorts in YouTube are specifically for phone, so it's good for people that want new YouTubers that want to start, because this helps you grow your channel. So here I've edited the video and I've gotten 15 seconds long video. So let's see how we upload it. So you click on next. So let's go back so I can show you how to add text, how to do any other thing you want to do on the video. So let's see that. This card, we're going back. And down here you have and we'll have a 15 seconds video. Then we'll go over to the caption. We'll type best smile that will captivate your heart. Captivate your heart. Full stop. Please don't forget to add the hashtag shorts. This is how YouTube algorithm picks up that this is a short. You add shorts to it. And also there is a YouTube short fund that's on now. When you create a lot of shorts, YouTube might decide to give you some fund ranging from $100 up to $10,000, whomsoever they deem fit that is qualified. So they send it out. They send you a message if they pick your video to be among the people that they will be rewarding for shorts. So I advise you to take advantage of this now. Shorts, you go back and see what else you want to add. Public, not made for. So you upload shots. The video is uploading. So while we wait for the video to upload, I want to show you how to see which account you're using to upload, or if you want to change your picture, you could click on the face button here and change your picture, whatever you want to do. This is the shorts button where you watch short. The plus is for uploading videos. So just so easy. You can do it. Start that YouTube channel that is in your heart to start. If you really want to start a YouTube channel, you can do it. So it's finished uploading. So let's go over to library. So want to edit the video more. Just uploading the shots is not enough. You have to add tags, other things to it. So our video is uploaded complete. The upload is completed. So let's see the video we uploaded. So when you're done uploading, you saw where I clicked. I went to library, your video. I clicked on your video. Then you go over to the video you uploaded and click on the three dots button by the right hand side of the video and go over to edit. When you open the edit caption, it's going to open more caption to you, so you type in the description of what you're doing. If you're doing exercise, you could say this workout is for stay-at-home mom. Whatsoever it is you want to type in the description that will describe what the video is about, that's what you type. So I'll be pasting what I've already copied here. I'm typing please subscribe, share, let's promote this channel. Thank you so much for always watching. That is what I've copied that, so I'm pasting that. So you choose to make your video public, you could choose to make it private, or you could decide not to list it, or you could also schedule when it should be published. But for this video, we've already published it, so it can't be scheduled anymore. There's no need scheduling it. So now choose your location. For me, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be choosing Nigeria. I choose. Then you add, if you have playlists, I'm going to be choosing to add this to this playlist. But you could also create playlists in your library, so I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So now this is the most important part, adding tags. This is how you are found on YouTube. So if you're a sports person, you could add early morning workouts, depending on whatsoever you are creating in your video. So let's add tags to this video. Fun to be with. So you separate you can add as many tags as you want. These tags are what I use to find what the people searching will use to find you on YouTube. So here you add this, you separate your tags with comma. You see that happy baby, baby. So you separate again. Okay, I haven't done that. What else do I want to add? 5 months old. So as much as what to describe your video, when the searcher enters into Google YouTube and searches what they want to view, your video will pop up to them. So these tags are necessary. So when you upload your shorts, always go back to the library, go to your videos and edit so that you can add tags, since you're using your Android phone. So you could do this, but if you're using a laptop to upload, you could do them simultaneously as you upload your videos. So as we've done this, so you save it will be saved in your videos. So you see that it is saved in the videos. So now I told you I was going to be showing you how to add playlists. So here you see the sign, new playlist. Do I want to add playlist? You go to your library, you just scroll up, history, your video, your downloads, the movies you have, the videos you saved for watch later, and you can add playlists by clicking on new playlist. You select the video. So what video did we add? Best laugh. I'm selecting videos to create a playlist. Next, I'm titling the playlist, so smile collections, as I'm titling this playlist. So collections. So I'll be going back. Smile collection. So you can choose to make the playlist public, you can choose to make it unlisted. Anyone with the link can view. You can choose to make it private only. So I'm choosing to make it private for only me. Now I'm choosing to make it public. So I create. Now I've added a playlist. So if you come down here, you see it's among my smile collections, it's among my playlists. So this is how you upload things on YouTube. So it's so easy peasy. You can do it. If you have that dream to start a YouTube channel, just start. Don't delay it anymore. If you have an Android phone and you want to start a channel, thanks to YouTube Shorts, you can start it. But start with YouTube Shorts if you don't know how to create long videos. with time you will find your way around YouTube and you'll find how to do most of the things. If you found value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.